Did you know the most famous last stand in history is missing most of the people who actually made it? Everyone knows the story. 300 Spartans. The pass at Thermopylae. The Persian army so vast it supposedly darkened the sun. But there were also 700 soldiers from a city called Thespiae standing right beside them. And here is what makes that remarkable. The Spartans had a warrior culture built around dying in battle. It was almost expected of them. The Thespians had none of that. They were merchants, farmers, regular citizens. They knew the Persians had already promised to burn their city to the ground if Greece fell. So they stayed anyway. Both groups fought, both groups died. Same battle, same ground, same outcome. Then the storytelling began. The Spartans got the monument, they got the poems, the legend, and eventually every movie ever made about that day. The Thespians were quietly forgotten. History did not erase them because they were less brave. It erased them because they were less useful to the myth.